Hi, so I am currently on my way to 9/11 Memorial. Woo. Have 3 minutes or 4 or 5 minutes to make it there on time. Sorry. Hi. Sorry. Do you know the entrance for the museum?
Huh?
Do you know the entrance for the museum?
I'm not sure.
Oh.
You should ask somebody up there.
Sorry. Hi, good you? Oh, downstairs. Sorry. I have to figure out how to get to Fridays. A lot of porters out here. It's a beautiful day, though. And I have to get to the movies by 7:50 and kids there, so hopefully I'll make it. I'm just starving. There's so many dogs. I think I love when the dogs are out. Feel safer with them. Oh,
Don't even.
there's pizza. Should I get that? This is where they were playing the music. This is New York City for you. I used to come to school over here, which is, you know, I used to love it, but I had bad anxiety attacks, so I took a break. If I go back, hopefully I'll have enough money to go back. If I don't, I'll just go to one where I live. It's, you know, the same thing, kind of. Oh, Bill's Bar. I'm gonna get off my phone and I'll talk to you guys in a minute. Cedar Street.
This is the greatest rescue in the history of humanity. Saved thousands of people's lives. The members of the final take a sacred moment and take very seriously. They save life and property. That's what they did to the best of their efforts on that day. Unfortunately, almost 3,000 people died.
Loading is for about 10 minutes looking for the garbage. The Fridays that I was gonna go to was shut down. The Chinese spot I was gonna go to was too far. And the closest thing was that spot, and it looked really good. I'm gonna insert the picture of the food, but you guys saw it. I showed you like a little video. I just want to go outside.
Deerfield is at the medical office. Is in here. Young man over here.
People just don't really see value in it. Busy.
There's no garbage anywhere. You would think that they would have garbage cans with how clean it looks.
Dame un videito. Dale abajo. Dale abajo.
So I am walking now. I'm walking now to the bus, and it's a really sad situation, obviously, but they're celebrating life, so we have to be happy, you know? It's just thinking about everything that happened and unfolded that day is really sad and traumatic for most likely. Well, it is probably. Well, I don't know, because people cope differently and people heal differently, you know? But I feel sad for the family members of those who they didn't find yet. They're still finding people. Well, not finding people, but like the medical examiner's office, they're figuring out who is who with a bunch of tests and stuff. I've been watching it on the news. Sorry. It's just a really sad situation. I don't know what that is. Oh, look. Hold on. Too gray. The Millennium Hilton. Never give up. Good vibes only. Big dreams. Oh. Today. Oh, I'll go back. I didn't know I didn't press the record button, but I didn't. The artwork is amazing. Day in the life of a Bronx, New Yorker who hasn't really visited these places by themselves. I've been here with family. Just never by myself. Look at that building. The artwork is amazing. That's really dope. Really dope. What does this mean? WTC dreaming. Make me happy. Live free. World Trade Center. Oh wow. I didn't even see this the first time. So we're here. This was the World Trade Center too. I believe this was the south. Could have been the north. I'm not honestly sure. One World Trade Center is over there, where I came from, where the water was. I went to the museum. You guys saw that. And honestly, I was only 2 when it happened, but it is very scary thinking like 20 years from this day, all that happened. And you know they have to be planning something else, because they're never gonna give up. In the museum, you guys couldn't see it, but they were attacking Americans in other countries like 3 years prior to them attacking the World Trade Center, the Pentagon, and trying to attack Washington, D.C. with the White House. But they weren't able to because people on Flight United 93 teamed up and, did what they had to do. say we wouldn't want you to feel bad, and then there's other people that accept that and allow us to feel that way. I mean, not allow us, but they don't, like, they're, what's the word? They're okay with us feeling bad. And then there's other people that want us to remember them differently, you know? Everyone copes and feels differently. But I just feel bad for the families and the people had to jump out of buildings that were fire. In the middle of both. Show you guys the artwork on this side, and then I'm gonna go turn this off and make out my way to the movies. Okay. This artwork is so dope. My camera died, so I'm using my phone. And my phone is fully charged, but I don't want to waste. Look at that building, you still see it. I don't want to waste a lot of my battery because I still need to figure out how to get to point A to point B. And it's a cute dog. Yes. And then I also have to contact my mom, let her know I'm okay, and you know, the time she could pick me up. Yes, I'm 22, by the way. This is a really dope painting. Now we are on the other side of the Second World Trade Center.
Hey, George.
I don't know if this is supposed to be some back up. This is more like, oh, that's a bird. It's like really good abstract art. I am winded, guys. Hopefully you can hear me. And I am now going to turn this off and figure out how to get to my destination. I will be right back. And we have that. I know I said I was going to turn it off, and I am. I just wanted to show you guys that. I don't know how I feel about that. I don't. I might have to take the train. I'm gonna insert the picture I just accidentally took. But what you call it? I'm not taking the bus because I'm not gonna make it to the bus stop, and I want to get there, and there's already delays. The next bus that I could take will take like an hour and 30 minutes, and I just don't have the time. I won't make it in time to the movie, so I'm just gonna take the train. Praise God. There's so many things I've never seen before, or just haven't taken the time to actually like experience by myself. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the sound of New York traffic. Reckless and dangerous. Ugh, I'm tired. glad that my camera died, but I'm kind of glad I'm able to like use my phone instead, so I don't have a lot of people staring at me, because people are already staring at me. But it's also safer because I'm not flashing a big camera around. There are a lot of cops, so it would have been the best day to use a camera outside, but yeah. I see the subway. I see the subway. My crock came off halfway. This is a 2 and a 3. Where's Fulton? I might have to cross. Sorry, this is Bessie. I need like my thing at home that holds it up, because I left it. How are you guys enjoying the vlog so far though? Comment down below. Leave a like if you like it. And see what I mean? Comment what you guys want to see next. Where you want me to go. And I know this is a long vlog. The 2 and the 3. I'm pretty sure someone left off the pizza out. I'll have to check my GPS. Hold on. Hello, YouTube. I am still walking there, but I only have 3 long blocks going up. And I walked all the way from the west side to the east side of 33rd. So I walked from West 33rd Street all the way up to east side. Yeah, basically where 42nd Street is, I walked to the opposite side of there. And it's not a long walk. I'm actually glad I got to, because I haven't been working out. I'm gonna show you guys a little workout vlog one of these days. I'm off a few days this week. Since I only worked 3, I'm off 4 days. Thank the Lord. But this past week I worked 4 days. The week before I worked 3 days. This week I worked 3 days, so it's not that bad. I'm debating on getting my favorite ice cream from this creamery. I have a headache, so I might get medicine, and I don't know. But my head is like, I have a tension headache. Yeah. Plus, I'm trying to save money, so I couldn't get Fridays. So at this point, I'm just trying to save money. But it's like when you're craving something and you can't have it, might as well just save money. You know what I mean? Handsome Rice. Oh, they have a good little food spot here. Cute little food spot. Then we cross another pizza spot. Jimmy's Barbecue. That looks good. I might go and see the menu there real quick. I don't know yet. I might have to. You know me, I love barbecue shoes. I'll see you guys later. I came an hour and 50. And no, I just came an hour earlier than my actual movie. And I'm waiting now. My movie, I could go in at 7. And the movie starts at 7:15. Technically it starts at... Oh wait, that means I could go home earlier. Oh, give me a minute. Finally in the movie. And look at this.
Brace yourselves. Give your best argument. Sure. Pop culture is a religion. You're in an era where we worship celebrity. Oh, and also Susie.
I refunded the tickets for the same exact movie before the movie started because it
square, I deleted that black square, I
different
reposted the black
like
square,
seat
and then I
tickets.
redeleted the black
So
square.
I'm an A-list member. So I got ice cream after the movies from the Creamery, my favorite spot, and I switched it up. I got vanilla with whipped cream and Fruity Pebbles and the Cookie Crisp. It's so cute. I'm gonna start eating it. So this place puts their toppings in the middle of the ice cream as well, and it's like pretty good. I always get the chocolate ice cream with the graham crackers and whipped cream, and it's usually like crushed up graham crackers like in the middle, and it tastes like in the middle, but it's good on the like sides. But this I feel like is gonna taste way better. Way better. I'm like demolishing it, as you can see. And I forgot to show you, they put the lights on tonight for 9/11. Those are where the Twin Towers used to stand, and those are the lights. When I used to go to school, my school is literally on the same block. Well, it's like a few blocks of like before it, and those lights are so bright and they look so pretty up close. They're like blue and they like twinkle. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys. And I'm on 30th Street. And that is the Empire State Building. It is red and blue, but I can't. Hold on, can I zoom in? I can zoom in. I can't. I'm not close to it, and I can't go over there because time is of the essence. But that's it. It's beautiful. Sad though. Gonna try to cross now, and we don't see it no more.